CIIE is just a great example of how China has established an increasingly open international business environment over the past years. In China, with its complete industrial system, with a huge market, a diverse talent pool, and a wealth of application scenario from all types of customers who are demanding more cutting-edge technologies. And this has laid a great foundation for the development of a multinational company like us in this country. The CIIE provides us with abundant opportunity to connect more deeply with our local customers, our stakeholders. And through CIIE, we have established much closer contact and deeper cooperation with our Chinese ecosystem partners, from our supplier, technology partners, and of course, our customer. As the world's largest single market for material handling industry, the Chinese market offers great potential for growth domestically and as well internationally. In addition, it is also a big source for new innovation in technologies and use cases pilot site. As an import-focused international exhibition, the CIIE presents a major opportunity for companies like us seeking to enter or to expand in the Chinese market, where we can meet potential investors and secure new business deals. It is not just a mere expo or exhibition of imported goods, but it also serves as an important platform for deepening cooperation and enhancing mutual trust between China and the world. And therefore, we strongly believe the CIIE will play a positive role in deepening the China-Europe and China-Germany economic and trade relations. China is an important part of KION DNA, and growing in China has been and will continue to be a key part of KION's global profitable growth strategy. The KION brands such as Linde and Dematic both has entered China in the early 90s, and they were among the first batch of international companies to invest in China's material handling equipment industry. And this investment over the past 30 years have enhanced our winning position in the Chinese market